Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can change the icon of any app in Windows. But before that, if you are new to our channel, make sure you are subscribed. So as you can see, there is a Chrome logo here, and if we open this, Google Chrome is open. And if I click on this Edge, and you can see the Edge browser is open. So now we have to change the icons of both these apps. So for that, first of all, we need images for the icons. So let's search it on Google. Go to images and download this one. Now search for Edge logo and download this one. So now go to downloads, and here are the images, and you have to make sure that these both images are in square shape, means the length and the width of the both images are equal. Like this one is 225 both, and this one is 144 both. So now these are in PNG or JPG format. So first of all, you have to remove the background of the images. For that, go to this website, remove.pg. So you have to upload file, and as you can see, it is now. So now upload for Edge and download this one. Now go to download folders, and now you can see these two images has no background, so we don't need these two. And now you have to make these to an icon format. So to change the format for the icon, you have to go to Google again and search PNG to icon converter. So here you can see you have an option to upload the file. Just upload this one and download. So now it is in icon format. Just do it with another icon and download. So now go to downloads, and you can see here this is in icon format, and this also. So delete the other ones. So now these two images are in icon format. So go to the apps icon and just right click on Google Chrome, go to properties, and here you have an option change icon. Now browse and go to the folder where you have. So we have to replace this Google Chrome icon with Edge, and click OK and click apply. So as you can see, the icon of the Google Chrome is now changed. So now from Microsoft Edge, if you go to properties and change icon, browse and click on Google Chrome, OK, apply. So now you can see these both icons are changed now. So if I click on this my Edge browser, the Google Chrome is opened, and if I click on this Google Chrome icon, you can see Edge browser is open. So this is how you can change the icons in Windows. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.